Good morning, everybody. The line has just started, but I am going to do a screen grab of my experience. Whenever we do a launch, we try to minimize website crashing by putting everybody in a queue. So right now I have a 28-minute wait. It is now 7:02 and I am number 8309 in line. Yeah, I am so excited. So, this is our new Youology skincare, and I'm going to take you through what will be your customer experience, hopefully, in customizing your skincare with this line. We have 40,000 possible combinations that you can create.
Skincare made for everyone else isn't made for you. Introducing Youology, the skincare regimen mixed and made by you. Simply select your 3 targeted boosters to develop your own cleanser, serum, day moisturizer, and night cream. Experience healthier looking skin with a regimen you created. With up to 40,000 possible combinations, you can find your perfect fit. This is skincare for nobody else. This is Youology.
Okay, you guys, so I didn't do that correctly. I didn't take the quiz before, which I thought was weird, but I was so excited, and I think I pretty much know what I wanted in my skincare regimen. The quiz that I will insert before in the right order, because I did my regimen first, and I picked all of the boosters that I wanted for myself. But then I was like, "God, that wasn't really much of a quiz," and it wasn't, because duh, it wasn't. And I went through the quiz again, so I'll insert that first, and then we'll pretend that I did it correctly. And then I'll just take you through what I picked when I built my own regimen without doing the quiz. But if you take the quiz, you can add it to your cart right from there, or you can just go at it by yourself and build your own regimen. Okay, so first you're going to start out with taking the skincare quiz. And it's going to ask you what your name is, because there's a thing that I want to show you at the end. But then your age, so I am 39, and start quiz. Okay, so how does your skin feel? Skin can change throughout the year, so give us your best estimate of your skin right now. Normal. I'm combination. I have an oily T-zone and a dry cheek area, so we're going to say that. What would you like to focus on? Definitely enlarged pores, dark spots and uneven skin, dull skin maybe, or loss of elasticity. No. Yeah, I'll do that. Drag to rank order of importance to you. Actually, these are kind of bothering me lately as I get older. I'm getting some sunspots. What products do you currently use? Cleanser, serum, night cream all day. I'm really bad about toning, and I use my night cream as my day moisturizer. Let's see. Do you want tinting booster transform your day moisturizer into a tinted moisturizer? I will say no, just because I love my BB Flawless. We'll say no. Do you have sensitive skin? Not at the moment. How much exposure do you have the following? Live in Colorado. I say medium. I drive a lot, so I drive, but I don't drive that. We'll just say hi. Hi. Do you normally get 8 hours of sleep? Not usually. Finish. And this is the skincare regimen that it spit out for me. How funny, because I actually did order this before I did my when I did my purchase and I didn't do the skincare quiz. The Youology cleanser, it is suggesting the boosters of replenishment, pore diminishing, exfoliating. My serum is going to be line minimizing. That's interesting. Brightening, glow. And then my day moisturizer, oil control, pore diminishing, and environmental shield. Replenishment, elasticity, and time correcting. That's so funny because I said I wanted hydrating instead of oil control for my day moisturizer, and then I didn't pick line minimizing. But if you don't agree, you actually can edit right here and say, what did I say? I said elasticity. Huh. So let's just cancel that and then leave it how it is. And then this is pretty much the same. I said hydrating, right? I forget what I did. But whatever. This is what it came up with for me. And then also it added the brightening mask. That's pretty awesome. But if you're a presenter right now, we can get the booster bundle right here for $169. So it's at a discount, and we also get the carrying case with a face towel and a hair band. So that's pretty awesome. So yeah, I did not do that. I was so excited to get my bundle that I saw the quiz button, but I didn't take the quiz. So I'll just edit this and I'll put it in front of the regimen. But you can just add it from here if you want. Ta-da! Here we go. So we start out and it'll say, if you have an account with us, it'll say, hey, whatever your name is, this regimen is for. And if you're a presenter, you can put whoever you're buying for if it's a customer. But I'm going to go with Victoria. And I don't know if you don't have an account, if it will ask you at the end, but we'll just build this regimen. So we're going to start with the cleanser, which is $39. And what do I do? Oh, okay, so these are the boosters, the 5 boosters. Replenishment, pore diminishing, oil control, hydrating, and exfoliating. And you will choose 3. So pore diminishing, faux show. Believe it or not, hydrating, because we're in Colorado, and I might buy a second cleanser for oil control when I'm in Hawaii or California or somewhere hot and humid, which is everywhere but here, and always exfoliating for myself. So next product. You guys, this is so exciting and so easy. All right, so this is the serum. I wonder how this is different from our Uplift Beauty Oil, which is what it's called now, but let's see. Line minimizing, wrinkle reducing, firming, brightening, elasticity, and glow. Glow all day, elasticity, and brightening is what I will choose for that. The day moisturizer comes with oil control, pore diminishing, hydrating, tinting, and environmental shield. Tinting. All right, so environmental shield for sure, because I want some kind of SPF. I'm assuming that's what that is. I guess you can make a tinted moisturizer. That's cool. But I have my BB Flawless that I love, so we'll skip that. Hydrating, and then pore diminishing. Okay, cool. So the night cream comes with 6 choices. Oh my God, okay. So calming, replenishment, hydrating, puffiness, reducing, elasticity, and time correcting. So since I absolutely loved our time correcting night cream and that retired, I'm going to say time correcting. Elasticity, puffiness. I'm not really puffy. Hydrating. So because I'm an essential oil user, I guess I can always put like an essential oil in there, like lavender, for that calming effect. So I'll say replenishment, and I mean, it's a moisturizer, so hydrating. I wonder, maybe I'll do elasticity. My skin is, I'm in the process of losing weight. This is my rationale for this choice. I'm in the process of losing weight, and where I lose weight is in my boobs and my face. God is cruel to me. So my face and my skin tend to get loose for like a couple of months. So let's call it elasticity and call it a day. um, ugh. So they repackaged all our other skincare. So for sure this, because I love the new packaging. Exfoliating mask, I have a ton of that. So all of this stuff is the same product, but different packaging. And what's exciting about this section right here is that the rose water comes in 2 sizes. They've listened to us and our customers who wanted a bigger rose water because it is an amazing product. But I have my bigger one here. Actually, I think this is like the same size, but I want to see the new packaging on this one. I personally don't go through this product that fast, so I'm only going to get the small one. And I have a couple of cleansing sticks still. This, you get twice as much product, but it's only $10 more. That's amazing. And it is just a repackage, and I have a ton of that. So let's finish. Oh my God, that's so cool. Okay, so add to cart. And then proceed to checkout. Okay. You guys, look at this is the result of partying. I have $1,061.82 in Younique cash and 93 half price items. I did use a chunk of it to get the new nude lipsticks and pressed shadows, but let me just take you through a normal customer experience. Let's see. So check out as myself, always free shipping after $100. And if you're a prestige customer, it's free after $75. So we're going to go through all this, and then I'm going to come back to you when I'm done with this part, just for privacy reasons. Okay, that is all I have for you guys. Please contact me if you need help or have any questions about any of the boosters or any of the products in our new Youology line. If you want to go ahead and build your own regimen, go ahead and visit victoriaricci.com and have at it. That's it for now. I'll talk to you guys soon.